Good evening, my dear brothers and sisters. We are nearing the end of another liturgical year, and by next week, as I've said, we will be already celebrating the solemnity of Jesus Christ as King of the universe. Going back to our readings today, particularly the Gospel, if there is one thing that captured my attention, and what could possibly be a unique scene or character in our gospel today, and maybe from the many parabolos of Jesus, would be how the Master appreciated or commended his servants by telling them, we have heard it twice from our gospel, "Well done, my good and faithful servant, share your master's joy." Palagay ko po, at marahil totoo po ito, na it is human to be appreciated and to be commended. Nalulungkot po tayo at marahil nabibigatan tayo kapag mayroon kang tinrabahong gawain at itinabi ito o kaya hindi pinansin, without us being told or without us having at least a simple gratitude in return, would really feel bad. When we were kids, we used to let our parents see the stamp on our hand na may star na sinasabi, very good, dahil mataas yung grades mo o kaya behave ka sa classroom. Noong mga bata pa po kami at hanggang naging college kami, we used to bring our class cards. Uso pa ba ang class cards ngayon, students? Or our report cards to our lola. At automatic, syempre, babatiin ka, "Well done, very good, congratulations." At syempre, may abot na dagdag baon. At every work done well, or done in its entirely, more than gratitude, we also express our appreciation and our commendation. But before being appreciated for a job well done, it is obvious that we also do our part first and foremost. When something is given, then take care of it. When something is asked of us, then do it. When asked to revise or revisit something, then have it done as soon as possible. May kailangan muna tayong gawin bago tayo makatikim o makarinig, na tayo din ay munang bigyan ng pagpapasalamat o ng appreciation. Before the Master commended the two first servants given with 5 talents and 2 talents, they did their part by taking care of their talents. Tumubo o lumaki yung ibinigay sa kanila, kaya naman natuwa ang kanilang boss. Pero nakita natin that the other servant, because of his maybe bad feeling toward this master, he hid his talent and did other things to do other than taking care of it. The master will really feel bad that the last servant did such. But let us not judge the master for being so hard with the third servant, because at the heart of that master is a heart ready to appreciate and commend after every work done well. It was not in his heart to condemn. God is more than willing to commend you rather than condemn you. To say, well done, rather than telling you, you are no way out. My dear brothers and sisters, if this is the kind of God who is trusting us with our now talents, our riches, our capacities, our abilities, and many more, may this inspire us to do better and be inspired. Dahil may nagtitiwala na Diyos sa atin, magiging mabuti ang tugon natin sa Diyos na ito. He could really say, or let us feel what the Master did to this third servant. But mind you, my dear brothers and sisters, in God, every missed opportunity, He invites you to try again. And He won't let an open door of hope be closed for you. Nangyayari naman po sa atin na may mga taong productive, may mga taong hirap maging productive. May mga taong sipag na sipag, mayroon namang mga taong tamad na tamad. Mayroon mga taong aral na aral, no? Kahit sa loob ng bus, kahit gabing-gabi na, aral pa rin na aral, pero madami pa ring nakukulangan sa sipag ng aral. Bakit kaya may mga ganon tao? It could be possible that people are now unproductive, lethargic, or maybe lifeless in everything that they do, in everything that is trusted to them, because no one is now appreciating and maybe even inspiring them. Baka naman, kaya hindi makaaral yung batang ito na nagsabi na ito yung kursong kinuha ko. Ang una mong sinabi, nako, babagsak ka dyan. Nako, napakahirap niyang kursong yan. Mano man lang una muna munang sabihin, congratulations, you will be doing well there. You will be learning a lot there. Baka po kaya madaming nagrereklamo na ang toxic sa work. Why? Because try to go through and maybe step in to that environment. Someone around you is not anymore appreciating your work done, or maybe cannot even say thank you or a job well done for a simple daily work that you do. If the third servant would see to it or would realize that at the heart of his master is a heart ready to appreciate and a heart ready to be thankful, siguro nagbunga din ang talento o ang perang ibinigay sa kanya. My dear brothers and sisters, as children of the light, let us be aware of this gift. That like the Master taught by Jesus in our gospel, like God in our lives, His was not to condemn, but to affirm, inspire, and to always tell us, you have done well. You are doing well. Good job for you. Our appreciation for others may hopefully boost inspiration for others. While doing our end to be fruitful, we acknowledge that we have this God who again is more than willing to say to us, "Well done, my good and faithful servant. Share the joys of your master."